Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today on Wednesday to discuss the state's ongoing development initiatives and seek central support for several crucial projects. Following the meeting, the Chief Minister posted on social media that, guided by the Prime Minister's vision and the goal of Viksit Tripura, Viksit Bharat, the state has undertaken several transformative initiatives. Dr. Saha informed the Prime Minister about the progress of this ongoing development and sought assistance on critical policy matters. The key discussion points presented by Chief Minister Dr. Saha to Prime Minister Modi included inclusion of Bru-Riang community under the National Food Security Act scheme, increasing the allocation of wheat under the public distribution system, doubling of railway lines across Tripura, introduction of a Vande Bharat train service between Agartala and Guwahati, raising the ceiling for externally aided projects, increasing the number of Ekalavya model residential schools by 15 in the state, establishment of an Agar board and research center, and permanent development of the Unakoti heritage site. The meeting is seen as a crucial step in securing central backing and resources for major infrastructure and welfare projects in Tripura. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.